Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. You crazy mother.
Hi guys, today I'm going to show you what my day looks like. So basically we're having a basketball game. I'm playing with the older guys, so I'm not getting much playing time, but still I have to be there. Goodbye.
Oh, it's so early. My kid just took over the vlog. Is that right?
Exactly. So we're headed to my basketball game. I'm actually quite more excited about tomorrow's game because I'm playing against guys my own age. But today I'm actually playing against older guys, so I'm not getting much playing time. So we just finished the game. We won by 37 or something like that, but we played pretty well. I mean, I didn't play really good, but you know, it happens.
Midva se bo danes prišla pogledati najhitrejše lisičke na svetu. To pa je bil dokaz, da v bistvu smučarija ni čisto res tako za hec, ne? Je tudi tako malo luxury. Ti že blagdan ne tegli?
30 let nazaj. Oh my god.
Tako da v bistvu skoraj prvič.
Pa še to ni bila zlata lisica, torej sem prvič.
I love drinking cocktail.
This is my favorite drink. It's called cocktail.
Hashtag not sponsored.
Hashtag not sponsored.